Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing well. Today I have a quick unboxing for you. It is evening right now, so I apologize for the overhead light. I usually try to film during the day, but I just got this box now, so I think what I'm gonna do is just reveal and do an unboxing for you guys right now. And then in a week or two, I'm gonna come back and film a more in-depth video showing you my first impressions of the bag, what fits, and comparing it to another bag I have. I bought this from Farfetch. This is the third time I bought from them, and I've always had a really good experience. Got 10% off for being a Silver Access member. I think if you spend a certain amount, I think it's like 800 or something, you are automatically enrolled in their loyalty program, and Silver is their lowest, which is what I'm in. So I did get 10% off after my first year. And yeah, so let me just open this box. It comes with a cute little sticker here from the UK, because that's where it's shipped from. The box says Farfetch. Here is the little booklet. It comes, this is just my return stuff, my return paperwork if I need to return it. I think you have 14 days. And it comes with a little sticker here. And it's shipped from a UK store called Browns. I think they are a department store over there. So here is the dust bag, and it says Browns. And on the inside comes the Saint Laurent dust bag. So it is a Saint Laurent item. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I have been wanting this bag, and when I got that 10% off code, I just wanted to hurry up and get it. Okay, so here is the bag. It's all taped up. I'm gonna try to quickly unmask all this. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Wow, this is wrapped really well. Okay, so it is the Nikki bag in the medium. This is the beige, and this is the matte beige. And it comes with gold hardware, but I am trying to do my best to quickly get all the stuffing out. This is, you guys can see how well wrapped this is. Okay guys, I'm finally back. That took me forever to get all the styrofoam off the handles. It was wrapped so well around every single chain. It just took me so long, so apologies for that. But here is the gorgeous YSL Nikki bag. To be honest, the Nikki bag didn't really strike me as a bag that I really wanted at first, because the only time I've ever seen it is in like a shiny, crinkly calfskin, which I liked, but I didn't really love enough for me to purchase. But then the new season colors came out, and they came out in this gorgeous matte color with this like really pretty shiny gold hardware. And I just loved the combination of these two. I just feel like this is such a great neutral. I feel like this bag is gonna go with so many different things, and I just really like the way the Nikki is designed. I love the flap closure. So right here is very strong magnetic flap. And it has two compartments. There's a small compartment up here and a main compartment here. There's one flat pocket here, and it looks like this part is made out of leather, and as well as a zip pocket back here. Let me see. The pocket has, yes, it comes with the Saint Laurent information right here. And what I really love about this bag actually is on the back, there is a pretty substantial deep back pocket with a magnetic closure right here. So you can hear a little click when you close it. And the pocket goes all the way down, which means it can fit your phone and your keys and other items you need for easy access. So I just really love this bag. For the most part, I'm probably just gonna wear this bag like this. I just love the way this looks. I think it's very understated and classy, but I just love this bag's color. I don't really have a bag with a matte beige color, and I just thought it would be such a great transitional piece for fall, and I just think it would also make a really great everyday bag. I have been going back to the office about twice a week, and so this would really make a great work bag for me, because I think it can fit everything I need. So yeah, so there it is. Here is the Nikki bag. Again, this is the medium size, beige in the matte with gold hardware. For pricing, I just wanted to say really quickly, I did get that 10% off from Farfetch, and then I checked my Amex card, and I got a special offer from Amex that said if I made a purchase at Farfetch for something, I think it was something over $600, maybe it was $800, then I would get $160 back. So I combined those savings, and then I think I got 1% back on Rakuten. So that was like another 20 bucks. So, you know, when you do buy luxury, I feel like every little savings does count, and they do add up, and you can find ways to stack your savings together, which is what I did in this case. And I think after everything, it was probably around $2,000, but I didn't pay tax on this. So I paid, the retail price for this bag is $25.90 if you bought it at YSL in the United States, and that was the price they quoted. But because this bag came from the UK, they Farfetch paid for the duties and taxes, so I didn't have to pay to do like custom fees on this essentially, and I didn't have to pay taxes on it either. So when you do purchase from Farfetch, definitely do make sure you do your research and check the retail price between what they are quoting versus what stores in the US are quoting, and then make sure that their little page says that they do cover the taxes, because if an item that you were purchasing from Farfetch is shipping from a boutique that's within the United States, they will most likely charge you taxes on that. All right, that's all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you would subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. It would mean the world to me. And I think that's all I have, so I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.